underway here in our final weight class of our Senior Asian Championships in Women's Freestyle. Erden Otar of Mongolia, the 20-year-old, and Nurtaeva, the 24-year-old. Mongolia sitting in third place. Kyrgyzstan in fourth. Although the gap right now even...
Вакыт келди. Өтүү керек. O-банк жана O жаңы кардарлары үчүн. Дароо 200 гигабайт жана 200 сом алгыңыз келеби? Каалаган Остор дүкөнүнө кошулуп, кош бонусту алыңыз. Биз менен сизби? Досторуңузду чакырыңыз жана ар бир досуңуз үчүн 200 сомдон алыңыз. O-банк жана O өтүүгө жана биз менен болууга эң ыңгайлуу учур.
If Kyrgyzstan's Nurtаева would win this, would not be enough to push the host nation onto the team podium. So the next best thing is go out and get yourself a bronze and put yourself on the podium. That might be actually the first best thing if you're Nurtаева. Creeping up on that zone where we're going to see an activity period. And Nurtаева hit with the passivity.
Stop. Let attention. Not up. Okay. Next question. Okay.
Halfway through, so we should see that passivity, that second one coming any minute now. Well, any second now. A minute would be too long. And Judge offering the passivity, as is the chair. And now Nurtаева will be on the activity period. Double leg for two, and no longer on the activity period, and now with a 2-point lead. Is Nurtаева going to go gut wrench? Drives forward. Erden Otar with solid defense there, preventing Nurtаева from getting any additional points. Under 10 to go here in the first. And 2-0 at the break.
C, representing India.
40 to go. 40 gone by, rather, here in our second final period. Another passivity could be coming any minute now. So again, we've gone half the period, no score. It's a 2-0 lead, and Nurtaeva in on the zone. Reverses position in a good spot here to try to get a step out. But Erdin Ocher circles back into the center. Minute to go, 2-0 the lead for Nurtaeva.
Action.
40 remains. Driving in, attempting the single leg, and Nurtaeva's hips back again on another counterattack. Trying to duck under from the sitting position. Nurtaeva trying to hold on. And she'll do so and get the bronze. As the host country, Kyrgyzstan, goes out with a W. Bronze medal. Nurzat, Nurtaeva, Kyrgyzstan.